Hello friends, how's everybody doing today? You guys are doing well?
Yeah.
That's good. So today is kind of bittersweet. So this is our very last experiment of the day. So we are excited that this part of our lessons are over, but at the same time we're sad because we won't see you in your homes anymore. Things are starting to get back a little bit towards normal, and so we will be going back into our classrooms hopefully soon, or doing virtual classes online. So we look forward to seeing you guys there. Don't forget, if you would love us to come to your school, contact your nearest High Touch High Tech, and we would love to see you sometime this summer. Anyway, my name is
Megan Martin.
And as always, I'm here with my two excellent helpers.
Sunshine Shaylee.
And Rainforest Drake.
That's right. Good job, girls. And what am I?
A scientist.
A scientist. Now we will get into our review of a scientist in just a moment. But before we do, I want to go over with you the materials that you're going to need for today's lesson. And we are going to make a snake rattle, which we will tell you in just a moment. So to begin with, you are going to need some sort of toilet paper or paper towel roll that is empty. You are also going to need 2 rubber bands for each roll that you have. You need aluminum foil.
And rice.
And we have rice today in a bag. If you don't have rice at home, you could probably use beans. You could use lentils. Sprinkles would probably work. Anything that you could put inside of your tube. So we will get to that in a moment. And while you guys are collecting your materials, who can tell me what a scientist is?
A person that wants to know more about the world.
Now, somebody who is curious about the world and wants to learn more about it and how and why things work. Hold on, be careful. That thing explodes. We're going to have rice all over the place, and I'm going to make you clean it up. And the dogs may eat it. We'll see. So a scientist comes up with an idea about the world that they want to find the answer to, and they form a
Hypothesis.
Good job, a hypothesis. And what is a hypothesis?
An
What?
educated guess.
An educated guess as to what you think is going to happen during your tests. And these tests are called experiments. And while you are performing your experiments, you have to observe. And how do you observe?
Your eyes, your ears, your mouth, and your hands.
And one more.
Your nose.
Your nose. And those are using your
5 senses.
5 senses. And as you're doing and observing, you have to calculate, you have to write down all your information, you have to collect your data, you have to analyze and study it, and at the end you have your final conclusion, correct?
Yes.
Good job. So, who can tell me what this is a picture of?
A snake.
A snake. Can you hold that up to the friends at home? You don't have to go too close. Show them a picture of that. There's an example of one. That's good. You want to show them this one? This is
a good snake.
Why do you know it's a good snake?
Because it's green, so that means it's a garden snake.
Probably, but there is a way to tell if a snake is venomous or not. And hold on. And venomous, Lord, I was having a tough time saying that, means that it is poisonous. So how can you tell if a snake is poisonous?
Don't poisonous snakes have triangle heads?
Oh, good job. A snake that is poisonous has a triangle-shaped head, and a snake that is not poisonous has what?
Like the color that they are, it's all over the body, like the belly.
Color can be
the same color.
Color can be a sign of one, but the biggest one is the shape of their head. So the triangle-shaped head means poisonous. If it's more round or oval shape, hold on. More round or oval shape means that it is not poisonous. And the reason why is the venom is stored in sacs along their cheeks that gives their shape of their head more of a triangle shape, okay? Now why, yes?
Can you give me, I know something about the second picture.
This picture?
No, that.
This one?
How do snakes climb up the trees?
They use their muscles in their bellies and in their body to slither up and curl up and wrap around the trees, and they can go up on the back end of their bodies and
There's
push themselves out.
A snake that has, we know it's venomous because on the back they look like Hershey Kisses because it's shaped like one.
Hershey Kisses, yes. Sometimes,
It's a copperhead.
what is that?
A
A
copperhead.
copperhead, which is one of the types of venomous snakes in the United States. There are 4 main venomous snakes in the United States. Do you know what you said? Copperhead? What's another one?
Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake.
And poisonous snake.
Coral snake. Poisonous means venomous. Coral snake.
And garden snake.
No, not a garden snake. Those are okay. And a water moccasin. Okay?
Water snake.
Yeah, and some of those can be poisonous as well. Now, some snakes are good. Do you know what snakes do for us that help us out, and why you might want a snake around your house or farm or something?
The green snake is good because it's a garden snake.
But what's it gonna eat?
Uh,
Do you know?
yeah.
What?
I seen it on video.
Little critters that are kind of
I know what
disgusting. They have long tails.
I know it. I forgot what it's a cold rat.
Is it blue?
Some of
It's
the
an ice rat. It's
no,
a
not a rat. A rat. Good.
A
A mouse or a rat. A snake eats a lot of those, and if your house has mice around, snakes will help get rid of the mice, so they can be good. And today we are going to make a
snake.
rattlesnake.
Oh.
Rattlesnake. What makes a rattlesnake famous?
The sound of it. It sounds like stuff.
It sounds like a rattle, like a maraca or a baby rattle. And we are gonna make a rattlesnake's tail. And why does it use its tail to shake? What's it trying to do?
To make noise.
It does try to make noise because it is trying to scare away other
other
animals
like-
or predators that might eat the snake.
And predators are the same thing as animals
Animals can be predators, yes.
because they're big, like big animals can eat little animals.
Some do, but there are little ones that eat bigger ones
Sometimes
too.
they do that.
You're going all over the place today, aren't you, Rainforest Reagan? All right, so let's go ahead and make our rattle so that we can have lots of fun with it. All right, so I have one paper towel roll, one toilet paper roll. Who wants which?
Here.
I know.
All right, we'll be nice. Oh, she was nice. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take one of your pieces of foil, and these pieces of foil, I made them a little big just in case. 4x4.
I know what's that.
Hold on, 4x4 would probably work.
To put on
But you can make it bigger if you want. And okay. Good job. All right, take one of the ends, wrap it around, and you can use your rubber band to hold it onto the bottom. Good job. Don't put a hole in it. No, that'll be a big problem. All right, good job. Now you're gonna take some of the rice, and we're gonna be very careful here. I'm gonna help you guys do this part. I guess you could use a scooper or a measuring tape. You wanna try to do yours? Here, I'll hold this. Go slow. You can use your beans, you can use your sprinkle. Don't do it too much, it won't make noise. Yeah, you need it to be able to move. All right, hold on, let me, okay, never mind. No, you don't have to use my, right, hold on.
Or some of mine is Yeah.
Yeah, pour a little bit of yours into hers. That's a good idea. Okay, and you can use the beans if you have them. All right, now you're gonna take your other piece of aluminum foil and put it around the other end. It's okay, we'll vacuum it up later. Put this one around the other end. And then you're going to use the other rubber band Good job.
So what?
Wrap it around and close it so that none of the rice falls out. I don't know if you have to double do yours, honey.
It's fine.
Oh, don't rip it. Okay. Now, ooh. And it sounds just like a rattlesnake. Can I try one? You can go like this. And what's that sound like?
Rattlesnake.
Just like a rattlesnake that's trying to shake its tail in order to scare away predators. Because do you know what? Snakes are actually more afraid of us than we are of them. Although, fear of snakes is the most common fear in the entire world.
Mm-hmm.
Fear of snakes.
I can feel
Saw
it
a
when I
snake
wake
yesterday.
up.
You saw a snake yesterday, where?
On the trail.
On the greenway, oh wow.
And then another day, we also saw there was friends on the greenway riding scooters, and then we saw a green snake.
You saw a green snake on there? Wow. So hey guys, thank you so much for being with us this over the last couple of months. We really appreciate it. We hope you had fun. We hope you had a good time. Let us know what some of your favorite experiments were over the entire time. And we hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget to give us a call. High Touch, High Tech. Thank you so much. Bye.
I'm Rainforest Reagan.
Oh, and this is...
Sunshine Shaylee.
Bye, guys.
And he's Media Martin.